Today, let's talk about the recommended no-fly zone and the safe operating distance for specific places. Please keep 6 meters away from the wires and 20 meters away from high-voltage tower. Do not take off or operate the drone in area within 100 meters from the power plants, substations, petrol stations, and docks. Do not take off or operate the drone in area within 200 meters from high-speed railways and 100 meters from national highways or railways. Keep at least 150 meters away from the flammable and explosive dangerous goods production and storage area. Do not fly drones within 30 kilometers from the airport. Please follow your local laws and regulations. Do not take off in the no-fly zone. Please follow the relevant local laws and regulations. Follow us for more drone tips.